Good day everyone, my name is Justin Carion and I'll be presenting my laboratory activity in mobile development integration. The first thing I did in this activity was created my 3D model, which are the butterfly knife and the dartboard or the target. I imported the butterfly knife, then rigged it so it can be easily modeled and animated. As you can see, I framed each by rig, and that's all for the blender part. Now after importing my models and other animations inside my project in Unity, I first check if the model was actually working or the animation was actually working. And then after that, I divided the animation into 4 parts since I created 4 parts inside the blender. I created 4 parts, which is the idle, open, spin, and throw. And then after that, I click apply in order to successfully apply the 4 divided animations. And after successfully dividing the 4 animations, I created my animator controller. And then I proceeded on creating the states that holds the motions or the animation. As you can see in my idle, it holds the idle animation. For the open, it also holds the open animation as well for the spin and throw. And after creating the animator controller, I proceeded in creating my canvas, which will act as the UI for my laboratory activity. As you can see, I have 4 buttons and a background label or background color, so it adds or it enhances my design in the UI. So in each button, I it corresponds to the correct animation. As you can see, if it is being clicked, it plays the spin animation, and for the throw, it plays the throw animation as well as the open and idle. And then after that, I check what it looks like when it is in game. And after creating the UI and the virtual buttons, I proceeded on applying the AR components into my project. First is the AR camera, and second is the image target. For my image target, I primarily use the Valorant logo, and then after that, we can now proceed to the output. This is loading quite a bit slow.